If you want to take a screenshot without buttons on Samsung Galaxy A17, then for example, you can use a gesture. With your hand like this, you can swipe from left to the right or from right to the left side. So for example, something like this. Let me try again. There we go. So this is one of the ways. You can also go to quick settings, and there is a chance that you will find an option that allows you to take a screenshot. If it's not there, then we can press on this pen icon in order to edit this section. And then over here in available buttons, we can find take screenshot. So make sure that it is added. And now we can go here, tap on this button, and then we can also take a screenshot. In case the gesture that I had shown you at first is not working for you, then open settings, scroll down to advanced features, and then over here go to motions and gestures, and make sure that this option palm swipe to capture is enabled. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.